A 60 diameter water jet strikes a plate containing a hole of 40 diameter as shown in the figure. Part of the jet passes through the hole horizontally and the remaining is deflected vertically. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. If the velocities are as indicated in the figure, the magnitude of horizontal force required to hold the plate is, so we need to find the force in x direction or the horizontal direction such that this plate can remain in its position. From Newton's second law of motion, we know force is equal to change in momentum. Now in this case, we can write the change in momentum in x direction because we need force only in x direction. So let's write here Fx is equal to change in momentum in x direction, that will be d by dt mvx. Therefore, force in x direction will be equal to mass flow rate into velocity in minus mass flow rate into velocity out. Now mass flow rate we know, also we know mass flow rate is equal to rho a into velocity. Therefore, the above equation we can write force in x direction will be equal to inlet momentum, that is rho area in which it is entering into velocity of entrance, inlet velocity we can say, into velocity of inlet minus rho, the density is same because the fluid is not changing, rho exit area into exit velocity. So this is the mass flow rate multiplied by the exit velocity. VO represent here exit velocity or outward velocity. So let's take a rho common here. Also we know that the inlet volume is equal to the exit volume. Okay, that is 20 meter per second. So we can take volume also common. Let's write V in is equal to V out is equal to V. Let's write this. This will be equal to, so this is V square because V in into V in is V square, same here, and we are taking common. So area, inlet area is pi by 4 into d square, so d in square minus pi by 4 into d out square. Okay, the d is the diameter of hole here, rho v square. Now pi by 4 is also common in both, so we can take outside into d in square minus d out square. This is the expression of force in x direction. Now let's just substitute the values and get the result. So the density of the fluid given is 1000 multiplied by velocity is, the inlet and exit velocity is same, and that is equal to 20 meter per second. So let's write here 20 square multiplied by pi by 4 multiplied by, so d inlet diameter is 0.06 meter minus exit diameter is 0.04 meter. Okay, it's all the values are given in this problem, and when we calculate this value we get force in x direction is equal to 628.32 Newton. Okay, so this is the force that is required to keep the plate in its position. For more information, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 14, Conservation Equation in Fluid Flow, Part 2 on Fluid Mechanics by Professor S.K. Som of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur.